Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nele, also known as Nele in Demand. I'm back with another hair tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do 3 easy and quick hairstyles for short hair. Wait, hold up. Let's try that again. Hey lovers, I beat my face for you guys real quick. As I was saying, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve 3 very easy hairstyles for short hair. And the first hairstyle is going to be a sleek down twirl. The second hairstyle will be a sleek down with waves. And my third hairstyle will be a sleek down with a side path. And without wasting any more of your precious time, let's get right into it. So to achieve these looks, you need to have wet hair. Usually I just hop out the shower and jump right into styling, but for this tutorial I used a spray bottle that I got from Pep for about 12 rand. You can also get a spray bottle from Clicks or Discam, just about anywhere really. And then as soon as my hair is wet, I go in with the green Eco Styling Gel. You can use mousse, but I just prefer using styling gel because of the firm hold. Styling gel personally just works better for me as well in terms of styling, and yeah, it just makes everything easier. You apply a bit, not too much, just so you're able to style it and just so that it's sleek and lays. I'm just gonna let the rest of this tutorial play out while you guys watch what I do. I think it's much easier for you guys to grasp the concepts and actually understand what I'm doing rather than me explaining everything step by step. So yeah, I hope it's very helpful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you are a newbie. Welcome. Please do not hesitate to click on that subscribe button, and yeah, hope you enjoy. gonna go in with the Got To Be blasting spray just to seal the deal and make sure that there aren't any flyaways or that the waves just sit pretty. And yeah, everything that's in this tutorial has been linked down in the description box. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. See you guys in my next tutorial. Love you. Bye.